Today, it was time to volunteer at the Ronald McDonald House.
Holy macaroni!
That's a lot of laundry.
Yeah! Lots and lots of laundry.
Craig chose to have lunch at Manhattan Deli. And I'm serious when I say these are the best sandwiches in Des Moines.
What is your favorite vegetable?
Potatoes.
How do you like potatoes?
They use for mash or french fry.
Do you like baked potatoes?
No.
What's your sandwich called, Craig?
The Charlie.
What does it have on it?
Ham and turkey and pickles and mustard.
That's your favorite one, right?
My sandwich was a Tuesday special. It has ham, loads of turkey, Swiss cheese, and Parmesan garlic sauce.
There we go.
How's your Tuesday special?
It's delicious. Do you want to try a bite?
I guess it's worth it.
It's a big bite. What do you think? Would Cookie Monster like that cookie?
My dessert was the peanut butter brownie. It's so delicious.
What do you think?
Tastes delicious.
Do you like rap music?
Yeah. Yo, I'm crying on what you gonna do. Hey, you know.
Do you know any rappers?
You know Tone Lock?
Who?
Tone Lock. Tony Lock.
What does he rap?
What? I'm gonna eat somebody.
Is he your favorite rapper?
Yeah.
Okay, Craig, what's your review of Manhattan Deli today?
The food tastes great and the sandwich tastes delicious. I give it 2 thumbs up, 5 stars, and a Craigie Vanville seal of approval.
Next up, the YMCA. When we got home,
May I have a
Craig and
head?
Livy drew some pictures.
And I'm making a body for you.
You're making the body for him?
Yeah. I'm making the body for you, Fred.
How's that?
What do you think, Livy?
Doesn't have butts and yucks and body. And hands. Nose, arms.
I think Livy wants you to draw the body and the hands.
Oh man, oh man, oh man.
It's okay, Fred.
Yeah, you can do it.
How's that?
Fred,
How's it look, Livy? Does that look better?
yeah. Look at this.
Blue?
No, those right down.
Oh, I see.
Fred, those right down.
What are you drawing, Livy?
I don't know.
Today we're making pumpkin muffins. First we'll bring in the spike cake mix. Then we'll take Libby's pumpkin. And then now we'll add water.
1 cup of water.
And then we'll mix it up. Now we scoop up for the pumpkin muffins. Just next, we bake in the oven for 350.
Okay. Can you do it? Good job. All right, time to try the pumpkin muffins.
Right.
Does it taste like pumpkin pie? Yeah, that's what I think. They really do taste a lot like pumpkin pie.
Alexa, what's the album of today?
Here is your animal for today, the crocodile. Because they don't have sweat glands, crocodiles may open their mouths to keep cool. Sometimes they pant like a dog. Here is a crocodile growl.
And this is Craig Evans saying, see you tomorrow.